Security is a foundational requirement when building AI automation systems. It is not optional, and it should be considered from the very beginning of every project. In this lecture, you will understand how to implement security across multiple layers to protect systems, data, and clients. Security starts with credential management. The most common mistake is hard coding API keys or passwords directly into code. This must always be avoided. Credentials should be stored in environment variables or secure secret management systems. You should also rotate keys regularly, use separate credentials for different environments, and ensure that sensitive information is never committed to version control or exposed in logs. Another important practice is scanning for exposed secrets before committing code. Tools can help detect accidental leaks, and if a secret is exposed, it must be rotated immediately and removed from the repository history. The next layer is data security. Client data must be handled with extreme care. You should only collect the data that is necessary. All sensitive data should be encrypted both in storage and during transmission. Client data should be isolated so that one client cannot access another client or equal information. You should also maintain logs for auditing access and remove data when it is no longer needed. Data minimization is especially important when working with AI systems. Only send the required information to the model instead of entire datasets. This reduces risk and improves efficiency. Access control is another critical layer. You should follow the principle of least privilege. Only grant access that is absolutely necessary for a task. Separate environments such as development and production. Define clear permissions for what actions are allowed and what actions are restricted. You can also limit file access and define rules to prevent sensitive operations. Regularly reviewing access permissions helps ensure that no unnecessary privileges exist. Secure coding practices must also be followed. All inputs should be validated to prevent unexpected behavior. Database queries should be parameterized to avoid injection attacks. Outputs should be sanitized to ensure that sensitive information is not exposed. Error handling should be implemented carefully so that internal details are not leaked. Secure communication protocols such as HTTPS should always be used. Operational security ensures that systems remain secure after deployment. Logging should be implemented carefully to capture useful information without exposing sensitive data. Monitoring systems should detect unusual activity such as high error rates or unexpected usage patterns. Regular audits should be conducted to review logs, rotate keys, update dependencies, and verify system integrity. Backup and recovery processes should also be tested to ensure resilience. When delivering a project to a client, security must be part of the handover. You should provide documentation explaining how credentials are managed, how access is controlled, and what procedures to follow in case of an incident. You should also train the client or your team on security best practices and provide checklists for ongoing maintenance. The key principle is to build security into every layer of your system. From credentials to data, from code to operations, every part must be designed with security in mind. This approach protects your clients, your reputation, and the long-term success of your solutions. In the final lecture, you will wrap up the course and review the key takeaways from your journey. See you in the next lecture.